Hey team, just checking in. This is the time we've been waiting for. That's why I wanted you signed up for the class, and you having had ordered the foundations material from Ramsey's. So we're going to go into savings. Okay? And please don't come with the mindset, I already know how to save, I have a savings account and all that kind of stuff. Come in with an open mind is what I would ask you to do. Don't come in and say, well, Dave Ramsey says that you can live without debt. Pull out of these next few lessons that we're going to go over. I think I've got them broken into 4. We're going to cover the first 3 units, which is savings, budgeting, and debt. Okay, the ugly debt word. Pull out of there. Don't come into this and say, well, everybody knows you have to use capital. It can't be all of your capital in order to get into farming or ranching. Keep your mind open, because there's a lot of people. I'm one of them. I'm not a big time operator by any means. I don't want you to think that, but I've run had the opportunity to run several businesses. We did it on a shoestring to start each one of them, and some of these principles were implemented well and helped us along the ways, and we got tripped up a few times, and I want to set you up for success. Even if you've been in business for a while, this is a systematic way of thought of the use of money within your business. Money is just it's what we trade between you and I. I provide a service, or I provide a product, and we exchange it with somebody that needs or wants that particular product or service. That's all there is to it. I mean, my hope is that you get to do something that you're passionate about, so that you can start your own business or work within a business. If you have the same mindset, it just changes the ball game. One of the things in several of the business startups that we did early on is that we put all of our employees through the Dave Ramsey Financial Peace University. So it definitely is at the core of that, and many times I've said that I am, I'm a Dave Ramsey guy. We drive old cars. Yeah, it's not that you can't drive new cars. Is that you don't drive new cars until you can afford to drive new cars or have new equipment, or it goes on endless as far as that goes. Owning and operating, a vast land empire takes the ability to save in this particular lesson. And you'll hear this in other broadcasts that I make, is that generally it takes about 20 years to become an overnight success. Now, that's not original. Many people have said it in the past. Maybe you even understand that. But you will, if you make it to that point, 20 years and beyond, and that's my hope, is that even if it's changed completely, that you'll look back and say, what was really worth it is the people I met and the journey that I took. Because that will be far more important to you than actually achieving maybe a goal or keeping within the standards you've set for yourself as your mission. So anyway, don't want to take too long on here. Delve into those videos. Tell me what you think. Even if you can tell me if it's negative. And maybe you've already gone through it. It took me several times to go through it years ago in order to really understand. And And it's simple. It really is. Again, we're taking and we're looking at your personal situation. And I want you do it. You use that muscle we call the brain, and you project it into business. In this case, we're going to get more to the business applications of all of these, but there's only so much you can cover in a semester course, and bring everybody along. So that's what this check-in's about. My hope is that that you pull and tease a few things out of here that you can actually use within your business and your personal life.